Good morning, people.
Good morning.
I seem to have a leopard arrived this morning. It's very soft and furry leopard. A little soft and furry leopard. It's very sweet leopard. It's playing Fortnite. It's multi... What's the word I'm looking for? It's
multitasking?
No, it's talented. It's a talented one. It can play games.
On Friday, I was a default.
You were a default. You didn't like being a default, did you?
No.
So you bought a skin? Yeah.
Actually, no, I just got the battle pass.
Cool. I pretend like I know what that is. I just know my boys have them. I just nod.
If you buy a battle pass, do you keep it or do you have to buy the next one?
When they talk about this game, I do this. Sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? What are they talking about? Oh. Anyway, today is... Yes. Anyway, today is Monday. It is Guy Fawkes night. It is the 5th of November.
Wait,
Remember.
The 5th of November, gunpowder,
Treason and plot.
Then will be no reason to gunpowder. No,
There
let me
is
do that
no
again.
reason. Go on then.
November, the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. There will
I
be
see no reason
for gunpowder, treason to
ever be forgot.
So
Yes,
it's just loading up.
So we, so we, what am I trying to say?
You are trying
2 minutes into this video and I'm talking waffle. So yeah, it's gunpowder night now. It's Guy Fawkes night. So
no,
I'm gonna get
fireworks.
Gonna get some fun snacky things. Could you just stop waffling and let me finish?
You were waffling a second ago.
But I'm trying to talk. So yes, I'm gonna get some nice snacks. Shush! Talk to the hand. I'm gonna get some nice snacks. Gonna get some nice snacks for the children, even the noisy ones that keep interrupting my brain. Dressed as leopards. He's ignoring me now. For fun, snacky things is what I'm trying to say. Fun, firework-related snacky things, which might sound odd because you can't eat fireworks, but you'll see what I mean.
You mean snappy, not snacky.
Snappy, I like it. No, I do mean snacky. So yeah, dinner's going to be a little bit fireworky tonight. Wow. It's going to be explosive.
I'm not eating it.
Okay, it's fine.
It's
more
explosive.
For me. Super proud mummy moment. I had to share with you guys Kenzie's Art Olympics creation. I don't really know how to pick this up. Maybe from underneath. He had to make something out of recycled materials. He's also put water in here for a slightly interesting effect. This is his fish. You'll notice it's got crosses on its eyes because the fish is dead. The reason the fish is dead is because we are polluting our oceans with all the plastic and stuff that this has been made out of and that is inside the fish. And here he's put, his name is Flounder. Flounder means struggling. The fish are floundering in an ocean of plastic. Save our oceans. And that is his entry for the competition that they do every year at school. It's called Art Olympics. And then the art class for each art class votes on which one they like the most, which one they think is the best, and then those get put forward for a final judging. I'm not sure who does the final judging. I think it is maybe an artist comes in and does it. But he was fourth in. Was he fourth in? No, I can't remember if it was fourth in the entire thing or fourth in the first round. With his one that he made last year. And I know I'm a proud mummy, but I think this has some real meaning to it. So I'm really hoping that the kids at school can see that when they're voting and can see the meaning behind why he's made a fish out of plastic. He was going to make a bird originally, and we had a conversation about, because birds are being killed by, you know, the 4 can plastic holders, you know, where you link 4 cans together, and you know they're dying through getting plastic caught up in their wings and stuff. But when we saw this bottle, I said, well, it could either be an owl if we have it with the head. I said, or maybe we could look at a fish. And he was like, oh, actually, yeah, I can see the fish. And then we talked about the plastic in the oceans. So it worked really well for his original idea about making wildlife out of plastic that could be recycled, rather than it ending up in the environment and damaging our wildlife. So I'm really proud of him for that. Hi, Rubes.
Hi.
Show everyone your cool badge.
Huh?
Evidence that I'm tier 15.
What's that for?
Pudsey Day.
Pudsey Day. Children in need. When is Children in Need?
15. Not tier 16.
Coming up, isn't it?
Tier 15.
Can I go to sleep and you can walk these kids to school for me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you
No,
mind?
Pippa, I'll walk them.
Oh, you can walk them to school. You're going to have to get out your onesie, mister, because it's school
Now.
time. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's Davy!
Daddy.
Davy!
Daddy.
He's like a jack in a box.
Oh, your hair feels so
Round,
nice.
round. Jump.
Does it? There you go, my hair. It's all soft.
Ah, my legs are aching.
Same to you. Oh, my legs. School run done. Oh, time to get the washing out the tumble dryer. I'm sure you lot reckon I spend half my life on my knees with my head in a tumble dryer or a washing machine of some sort. Oh, people, I just want to go to bed. I know I spent all weekend in bed. Maybe I've just been too lazy. Oh, where's my energy gone? Look at the state of me. I'll tell you what it is. It's because I was born to hibernate. And stupid society says we're not allowed to. We've got to work and we've got to be, you know, people and not animals and go to sleep for the winter. I got it all wrong. My job's for today. I need to go into town. I may have said this already. I was a little bit half asleep earlier on and Finn kept annoying me. Not annoying me. He's lovely. But he did keep interrupting. So I need to go to town. I need to film my Doctor Who review. I need to film my Halloween book review. And I need to go to the library and renew my books that I haven't read yet and take back the ones I have read. But first of all, I think I might need another cup of tea and to fold up this big pile of clothes.
Full of seasonal recipes to inspire you for the year ahead. Pick up your copy
Looking
of the
for
magazine section
breadsticks.
or at the checkout for £2.50. Thank you for shopping at Sainsburys.
There we go. Right, I've just dropped off a sausage roll to Lee because I'm a good little wifey. I did actually want to catch him for his tea break and I thought maybe we could sit together, have a cup of tea together, but he's already had his tea break, so I brought him a sausage roll. A nice hot chorizo sausage roll. He'll be very pleased with that. Oh, there's a guy here burning off the white lines in the middle of the road. That looks like a painful job, even mind he doesn't burn his feet off. Right, so I'm going to pop back home. I've been to the library, I've taken books to the charity shop that I've finished reading, been to the library and renewed and returned books. I've picked up food shopping and now I'm going to go and have a hot chocolate at Forest School. Right, let's do a quick tidy. I need to go and get my shopping in the fridge. I'm going to go home stinking of smoke.
Yep.
Lee'll love that.
Right. Washing up.
Thank you for my hot chocolate.
Alright.
It was very nice.
My washing up there.
Oh, someone's found the music wall.
Yeah, did you put a post up about
Doggy poop.
Yeah.
Yes, I did put a post up about doggy poop with a big emoji doggy poo on the thing to get people's attention. I mean, it's already being shared around as well. Charlene shared it, saying this is a site for children to play, not a dog walking area. Please kindly refrain from bringing your dog in. And if you must bring your dog in, please watch it and clear up after it.
It was just because there was one right by the gate, and then there was one a little bit further in, and then just there.
And Jasper managed to find one.
Yeah.
I just don't know why people don't pick up their poo. Next job on the list, to pack up the Christmas tree, put it in this teeny tiny box. It came out of the box twice, it went in the box twice. It'll go back in again, I'm sure. It'll be fine. Look. Oh, hold on, Meg and Mog's not really meant to be up there. We've got some Thanksgiving stuff. Got lots of crafts set for when Thanksgiving is celebrated in America. If any of you American viewers want to share anything Thanksgiving-y with us, we would be most grateful, because we obviously don't celebrate it here, so I'm trying to teach the children different celebrations from around the world, and it would be great to hear your stories. We have some autumn colouring for the children. Got some cute books about hedgehogs and autumn, and then we have some cute little bits set out, and then this is our autumn UK wildlife. So we've got the foxes and the deer and the squirrels and the hedgehogs and the rabbits and the badgers, the owls. It's kind of a little just play space for the children to, I mean, you know, they add all sorts to it. Cars, mermaids, you name it. Trains, trucks, diggers, princesses, pirates, everything gets added to it. But that's the idea. It's just an idea for them to enjoy a bit of autumn themed play, and if they want to incorporate it with other stuff, that's good too. It's all play, and play is good. Oh look, and these are the two things I forgot to take to the charity shop today. I remembered halfway there. Right, let's see if we can get this thing back in its box. I'm not even really sure where to start. I think we can probably start at the top. Oh, done it once. I'm sure I'll be able to do it again. And get all the air out, that's the problem. I'm not even really sure where to start. I guess the ends of the trees. Feels very mean squishing a tree. I'm a bit of a tree hugger, not a tree squisher. Sorry, owl. I have to squish all the air out of you. Oh, pumpkin. This may take a while. I need more arms. Where's the hole to let all the air out? Am I squashing the hole? Oh, there's the hole. Suppose it helps if you have the hole in the right position. Oh, you've still got it plugged in as well. It's like when you have to pack up a tent and you've been camping and all the air gets stuck inside it. Squish! What do you think? Will that fit in the box? Came out of the box, it can go back in. Okay. It will fit. Brilliant! I've just got to get the plug in it now. Job done. Hello people. Just about see me. Stink like a bonfire after sitting and having hot chocolate with my sister-in-law. Oh, now the big bit, look. I'm not sure that's going to fit as easily. Like I said, it came out, and I'll be doing all this again very soon. I get all my Christmas inflatables out. Oops. Right, I think I need to go for a trip up into the loft. One little bit of my firework dinner for the kids. We've got rockets. Oops, a daisy. Yeah, so I've got some rockets for them. Those are my sausage rockets. Sausage rockets. I'm not sure that sounds PC. Not PC, what's the word I'm looking for? It sounds a bit rude. Anyway, those are my sausage rockets. So here is the dinner. This is our nachos bonfire with cheese and sausages. I was going to do salsa on the top for a bit of fire, but kids probably wouldn't like the salsa. So they can have a bit of ketchup if they want. And there's some breadsticks. You can dip in the cream cheese or the chocolate in the sprinkles. Make some sparklers. Got little fruit rockets. And we've got savoury rockets as well. That is our bonfire night dinner.
Oh!
Oh, here.
Oh! Oh, there's my breadstick broke. This is dinner. Doesn't it really look like dinner?
Well, that's we've got to have the healthy stuff too. So
Fruit is healthy, and I need to eat this.
you can have cream cheese or you can have chocolate, and then roll it in the sprinklers, and then you've got sparklers. Woo!
They're not sparkling.
Well, they are kind of. Look, they got.
No, but where's the sparks coming off then?
Take this sausage.
Use your imagination. Cream cheese sausage
I'm gonna try some.
with sparkles.
I'm gonna try some cream cheese.
Cream cheese is lovely, Ruby.
Yeah.
No, not for you.
I like it.
Did you like that, Davy?
Evan, do you have this dog?
Yeah, good point.
Because bigger bonfires go upwards, not outwards. It's right. Yeah.
It's a big bonfire. Here. You have to remember to take our bits home with us when we've finished. Remember, not near others.
Not yet. I'll do it.
That's right, he wants to play with his thing.
No, I'll poke that one to that.
Move back a bit.
The pallet.
There you are. Hot.